Hi everybody, Carrie Fletcher here, and I'm just going to show you how to start putting in grades for the new year. One thing that we've noticed is that we have to re-input the categories for our new semester. So one easy way to do this is to go to where your grading is due, click on categories, and you can see that I've already done it, but I'll do another one just so that you can see. You'll come down here to this plus sign where it says add category. Name it whatever you want to. Remember, it doesn't support special characters, like you can't put a slash. The best way for us to do it, I think, in Central is to put in daily work and tests all together. Then you don't have to worry about weights. You can put everything as 100. You can choose if you'd like to automatically drop these lowest scores. If it was me, I would be putting in this default category so that it just automatically does this every time. I would put in the 100, and to make it easy, you can just click all for all your classes and then just save. And okay, mine says error, and the reason mine says error is because I already have it up. But for you, if you don't already have it up, it should save it, and then you'll be able to input grades just the same way that you have been last semester. Remember, put them into where it says cumulative grades S2. It should already come up just like that for you. You shouldn't have to manipulate that at all. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much.